Poysian from English with Poysian Channel. I am Thai. I live in Thailand and of course I speak Thai very good. Well, no surprise, it's my mother language. I study English from Thailand and I have Thai accent or Asian accent. I kind of love my accent. In my opinion, if you are Thai or Asian, I think it would be very easy for you to catch my English because we have the same accent and you are able to follow me easily. English is very, very important. Everyone knows that. It seems we have to use it every single day. At the beginning, when studying English, it could be very hard. But don't give up. Try your best. In this video, I will try to speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry, I will use simple words. So please listen carefully. If you don't know some words or some expressions, please check in your dictionary. Well, I could understand if you don't have much free time to study English in the classroom. You can study from social media like YouTube, Facebook, or something else. Or you can go to the videos, audio, music, and movies. Choose your favorite one. Another way, you can watch this video again and again. In this case, I'm pretty sure that your English will get better and better step by step. Let's start the lesson. In this video, I'm going to talk about basic English grammar for beginners. Okay, we start from the alphabet, consonants and vowels. What is the difference between consonants and vowels? There are 26 letters in the alphabet, from A to Z. Can you repeat after me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, from 26 of them, which one is vowels? There are 5 main vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Can you repeat after me? A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y. The rest of that are consonants. Are you ready to go to the next step? So now I'm going to talk about words, helping you with your vocabulary. So all of English words have vowels. Well, it's the same every languages around the world. Let's have a look. C-A-T, cat. A is a vowel. R-A-T, rat. A is a vowel. F-A-N, fan. A is a vowel. S-M-A-L-L, small. A is a vowel. E-W-G-A, E is a vowel. R-E-D, red. E is a vowel. B-E-D, bed. E is a vowel. G-E-T, get. E is a vowel. S-I-T, sit. I is a vowel. B-I-G, big. I is a vowel. P-I-N, pin. I is a vowel. W-I-N, win. I is a vowel. D-O-G, dog. O is a vowel. L-O-C-K, lock. O is a vowel. B-O-X, box. O is a vowel. T-O-P, top. O is a vowel. C-U-T, cut. U is a vowel. C-U-P, cup. U is a vowel. B-U-T, butt. U is a vowel. D-U-C-K, duck. U is a vowel. Do you remember Y is a special vowel? Let me explain you. Y is a special vowel because sometimes Y is a vowel, sometimes Y is a consonant. Let's have a look. Y, chai, pretty, country. Y at the end of those words sounds like E. Those are vowels. Bicycle, CY in the middle of the word sounds like E, so it is a vowel. Next one. If Y at the beginning of the word all sounds like year, then it is a consonant. For example, you, yes, Y at the beginning of the word and sounds like year, then it is a consonant. Next one, player, Y at the middle of the word and sounds like year, then it is a consonant. Let me summarize for you from what we have learned before. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, from A to Z. In the alphabet, there are 5 different main vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and one special vowel is Y. The rest of that are consonants. Next video, I'm going to talk about and in front of nouns. What is the difference between and how to use them. Now, if you don't want to miss the next lesson, please click on the red button, subscribe, to reach my English lesson every week. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and see you next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.